In the tumultuous year of 1971, a bold band of visionaries united under a common cause, giving birth to an entity that would reshape the course of history, the Greenpeace Foundation. Hailed from diverse backgrounds, these pioneers were united by a singular passion, a desire to preserve the pristine beauty of the earth, and to protect its wildlife and ecosystems from the onslaught of industrialization. The crucible of their resolve was the Amchitka Island, a remote speck in the Bering Sea, where the United States government planned a nuclear test. The looming crisis was ominous, with the U.S. government dismissing the concerns of the native Aleut people and environmentalists alike, deeming their voices as whispers in the wind. Undeterred, the Greenpeace founders, emboldened by their shared conviction, set sail aboard the Phantom III, a repurposed fishing trawler, bound for Amchitka. As they navigated the treacherous Bering Sea, their resolve grew stronger, their resolve unyielding in the face of the impending storm. Upon reaching Amchitka, the Greenpeace crew braved the icy waters, their small boats dwarfed by the towering U.S. Navy vessels that guarded the testing site. With courage in their hearts and a banner that read "Save the Whales," they confronted the U.S. Navy, their peaceful protest met with hostility and intimidation. Despite the odds, their defiance reverberated across the globe, sparking a wave of public outrage that eventually forced the U.S. government to halt the test. The Greenpeace Foundation had made its mark, proving that a small group of passionate individuals could stand against the might of a government and win. In the years that followed, Greenpeace would continue to be at the forefront of environmental activism, battling against oil spills, deforestation, and nuclear testing, always striving to protect the Earth and its inhabitants. Their legacy lives on today, inspiring generations of environmentalists and reminding us all that every voice matters in the pursuit of a greener world. In the end, the Greenpeace saga is not just a tale of a small group of visionaries, but a testament to the power of human resilience, determination, and the unwavering quest to protect our planet.